Welcome to Casa Blanca by Tucker Homes. Sitting on a private 4 acres above an orchard, this custom home in Fenwick, Ontario was built for gathering, whether it's with family or with friends, in the great room or the kitchen. Perhaps after that gathering, you're looking for a private space. There's a playroom, front sitting room, dining room, even a craft room upstairs. With gathering being the most important part of this home, we have this 12-foot walnut island that is the centerpiece to the kitchen. The sink is obviously an important part to the kitchen, often just a utilitarian space. With this sink, we managed to marry the utility with beauty. Not only is it a beautiful faucet and sink, but you have an excellent view of the orchards below. With generous amounts of countertop space, double ovens, 8 burners, whether you're baking bread for the family or preparing to host 50 people, this kitchen will get the job done. If you're gonna have a great room, it might as well be great. 20-foot ceilings, beautiful chandelier, lovely windows and doors to view the property that you have. This space is excellent for relaxing and entertaining. The focal point of this great room is the gas fireplace. We have a hand-carved mantel, hearth, and surround. Tailoring this space to our clients' needs, we have custom-made doors to our client specifications as a part of the kitchen. Our customers had a very specific baseboard that they wanted in mind. It wasn't available off the shelf, so we had them custom made. This butler's pantry perfectly connects the kitchen to the dining room. Not only is it a good connection point, it also provides a great area to stash away the small appliances and the things that you don't want in your beautiful kitchen. This front sitting room is an excellent place to relax, whether it's the colors on the walls, the custom cabinetry, or the view. It's a great place to read a book and gather your thoughts. You might think entry to the home through the garage, a little bit blah. Not in this home. You walk in, there's custom cabinetry, beautiful laundry. It isn't just utility space, it's beauty space. The primary ensuite is an excellent place to relax. Whether it's the oversized soaker tub, the giant shower, or the private water closet, this space is meant to make you feel like you're being pampered. The his and hers closets have ample space for all of your clothing, with custom cabinets filling the space. This 4-bedroom home not only has the primary bedroom, there's 2 bedrooms for the children where they share a Jack and Jill bathroom, and there's a guest bedroom with its own private ensuite. Not only is this home about gathering, but it's also about privacy. In this space, whether you're pursuing your passion of sewing or working, paying the bills, you have lots of natural light and beautiful views.